Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. Today we're going to make card number 5 on the 12 cards of Christmas. And I'm going to be using this lights from the Little Bit Festive Designer Series paper. These make card making so easily. It's got some punch out dies like this. Perfect for scrapbooking or stamping cards like I'm going to show you here, or even journaling. So many great layouts you can do with the ephemera from this pack. So we're going to do the inside here, and I'm just putting my multi-purpose glue, and we've got some Granny Green cardstock, and it's at a regular 5.5 by 4 1/4 folded. And then we've got some real red here, and we're going to make that a nice layer. So we're going to layer that on there. We've got that leaving an 1/8 of an inch there of border, and then we're going to put this lights, we're going to put it on with some dimensionals, and it's going to give it just a little pop off the card. And then my take your pick tool, you guys know. And if you wanted to get any of this product, you can just go to my online store. I'll put the link for you, and we're going to just pop that up, and you see it gives a nice border there as well. And now for our stamping, I stamped using the Dear Santa, a little girl and a little boy playing or decorating the tree. So we're gonna give her some gold hair, and I just love using the Stampin' blends. It blends everything so well, and it makes you look like you're a little bit of an artist, right? Because you can add the shading and everything in there. Just leave a little bit, and look at that glow in her hair. So pretty, and it makes me think that I just know exactly what I'm doing. And then we're going to use a skin tone here. You could also use a petal pink, would make a nice skin tone if you don't grab the skin tone Stampin' blends. And then we're going to use some real red to match the colors that we're already using in the Designer Series paper and in the cardstock. And we're just going to color her up real nice for Christmas. We're going to color the boy, and we already have a little blondie, so we'll give him a kind of brown hair, I guess. We'll do that. And then let's go ahead and bring in some more of that Granny Apple Green color, and we'll put that on his hat. And we will also use that here in his little outfit. So we're doing this so cute. It doesn't have a lot of stamping. This was all just one stamp from the Dear Santa. And it's so cute with them decorating the trees. And then with the glimmer paper, it's going to be coming up here in just a bit. But with the glimmer paper, we took a little baby hole punch and punched out some different color circles from the glimmer paper. And that's how we're going to decorate our tree in just a moment. But first, we've got to give him some pretty skin color as well. Not just going to leave him white today. So I'm super excited. I am loving these Christmas cards. Oh, I am coloring the balls in here and there, and then we'll still use that glimmer as well. But super excited for all the Christmas that's going on right now. But even more exciting is the new catalogs that we as demonstrators have got to look at, and that is the catalogs for Celebration and the new January quarter catalog. So it's the spring catalog. So I am taking and adding some little bits of glue here and there where I'm going to put these dots from the glimmer. And I will add those with my Take Your Pick tool. And while I'm adding those, I'll continue talking about the new catalog. So we as demonstrators got to look at it on the 13th, and then on the 19th, which is that tomorrow or the day after tomorrow? The day after tomorrow, we're going to be able to order from it. So I cannot wait to place that order and get to show you guys all the new stuff that's coming out. And did you know that if you sign up to be a demonstrator right now, you can actually choose from those kits on the 19th. So I guess probably the best time would be to sign up on the 19th if you were interested in that. And then, of course, you could get your nice Christmas presents and stuff for your crafty friends. So, okay, finishing up the card, we're going to put some more dimensionals. And this, again, is going to pop it up to be right next to the same pop-up from the ephemera of the Designer Series paper. So we've got those cute little glitter balls on there to give it some texture and color. And now we've got these cute little guys on there. And look at how cute that is. I am just loving it. I even had a couple extra balls there. But we're going to add some little snowflakes on here. Just a few here and there to go around and again give some more texture. And who doesn't like a little bit of embellishment here? So if you are interested again in purchasing any of the product or seeing more about this, you can go to beautyandthestamper.com, or you can go to the link that I will put in here for you. But if you go to beautyandthestamper.com, that's my blog, and you'll see a place to shop for Stampin' Up! And to look at the catalogs. And again, if you're interested, I hope you will join my team. But until then, have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!